Welcome to Module 2 of your Social Media Marketing course, brought to you by Growth Mandi. In this module, we are going beyond posting random content. We are talking about strategy, smart, goal-driven, audience-centric content planning that actually works. Content strategy is your master plan. It answers 4 big questions. What to post, when to post, why you're posting it, and who you're posting for. Without a strategy, you're just guessing. With one, you're building consistency, connection, and conversion. Tip: strategy is not about being everywhere, it's about being where your audience is. Every strong strategy stands on 3 pillars. Goals: are you aiming for awareness, leads, or engagement? Audience: define your ideal customer persona, ICP. Platform: post where your audience already is. Tip: use free tools like Google Trends or Answer the Public to generate smart content ideas. Your audience doesn't want the same thing every day. Give them variety. Educational tips, engaging polls, entertaining reels, emotional stories, and smart promotions. Tip: stick to the 80-20 rule, 80% value, 20% promotion. A great content plan starts with structure. Here's a 7-day content flow you can follow. Motivation Monday, Tip Tuesday, Reel Wednesday, Testimonial Thursday, Behind the Scenes Friday, Product Saturday, Poll Sunday. Tip: use tools like Notion, Trello, or Google Sheets to organize your ideas. Speak to your audience, not at them. Use simple language. Start with a hook, and always include a call to action. And yes, emojis, numbers, and curiosity help. Tip: emotional triggers higher engagement. Curiosity, surprise, and urgency win. Here are some must-haves. ChatGPT for ideas captions, Canva for stunning designs, Grammarly for polished writing, Google Docs for easy collaboration. Bonus tip: let AI help you start, but add your personality before you post. Before you hit post, check these. Visual branding is consistent. Caption has a CTA. Relevant hashtags, 3-5. Performance is tracked weekly. Tip: post when your audience is most active. Check your insights. A great strategy is consistent, goal-focused, backed by data, adaptable, value-driven. Tip: don't set and forget. Always test, measure, and evolve. If you're loving this course and want to go deeper, work on real projects, access 15+ premium tools, get those certifications, build your professional resume, cover letter portfolio, and receive full interview job application support, then it's time to join our flagship training, JIP Job-Oriented Industrial Projects. Learn live every weekend and get hands-on, career-focused experience. Search JIP by Growth Mandi on Google to apply today and take your skills from good to job ready. That's it for this module. Take your time to go through the slides, try building your first content calendar, and in the next module, we'll dive even deeper. See you there.